everyone, my name is Dr. Joel Rosen and I am here in West Boca Raton, Florida in my Drx9000 spinal decompression unit. I wanted to talk to you today about the different effects and the different benefits that you can experience when you're going on the DRX. Firstly, it's for patients that have suffered with herniated discs in their lumbar spine, patients that have sciatica, patients that have spinal stenosis, or patients that have a spondylolisthesis or degenerative changes, patients that just can't get out of bed in the morning. They have very much difficulty bending over, tying up their shoes, getting up and down, getting into the car. Patients that are just not enjoying their life, have gone for physical therapy, have gone for epidurals, have potentially been told they're surgical candidates, and or have actually done surgery and they're in a lot of pain. So that's why we've decided to add this machine to our office probably over 8 years ago, and we literally have hundreds of patients that have undergone this awesome procedure, and you can hear from them a little bit later. Basically, we have the lumbar unit, which allows me to change up the different angles. So if you have a L5S1 herniation or an L4, L5 or L3, L4, I can change those angles up so that you can have the best benefit on that particular disc area. The machine works where we're taking half your body weight. So if you have a 300-pound person, you can pull up to 150 pounds of pressure off that person's disc, and that allows them to get relief, allows that disc to suck in some of that herniated material, and also allows that disc to get a lot of fluid so that it can rebuild itself and regenerate, and that's where you get the long-lasting effects. As far as the neck unit goes, we have a neck unit, and this obviously is not going to take 50% of your weight off your neck, because that would be way too much. But let's say we have that 300-pound person. Now we can take 10% of the weight off the neck, so we're pulling at 30 pounds off the neck, and it's very, very gentle. Patients don't experience a lot of pain, and really what they experience is a lot of relief. We can change the angles as well, so if someone has a C4, C5 or C5, C6 disc herniation, then we're able to take that off that specific area. But if you don't believe me on how successful this machine is and how much relief we experience with the patients that we put on here, then I'll let you hear from a happy, successful patient.
Well, the reason I came here was because I was having tremendous pain in my neck. I have 4 bulging discs in my neck, and my pain levels were at least 7 to 8 at any given time. Made it very hard to function, made it very hard to work. I went through plenty of jobs where I couldn't work, and just decided that it was time to start taking care of myself, and came to the doctor and met them through a work contact, and I came in and figured, let's just try it, see what happens. It couldn't hurt because I'm in so much pain that it's probably to the point where it's not going to hurt anything. So I came in and I did a treatment, and my first treatment I was pretty sore, but I came back a couple days later and there was no pain after that. And I've had 6 treatments since over about a 30 to 45 day period, and I'm completely off my pain medication. I have very minimal pain, a 1 to 2 on a scale of 10, and I feel better. I've got my pH levels back in line like the doctor wanted me to, and started doing some exercise programs, and I feel like I'm 30 years old again. So it's been a real good experience for me, and I'm very happy, and I'd recommend it to anybody coming in that has pain before you decide to go do surgery. It's been a great experience for me, and I'd recommend it to anyone.
I'm Lynn Lucky Carruthers. I'm 62 years of age. I've lived in southern Florida for about 35 years. And I'm here today to help all the people that may be going through what I've been going through for over 35 years of my life. I have excruciating back pain. I've tried all the medical procedures that you can go, all the pills, all the stretching, all the everything that you ever wanted to do, and even to the point where my arm got so numb that I went through and had a fusion. Also, I've had another deterioration in my lower back where the disc eventually disappeared, where it's bone on bone. I've tried just about everything. Believe me, I know what I'm talking about, and I know if you're going through this that you're thinking the same thing that I've always thought. What next? Well, actually, I think the next is here. I came into this office about a year ago, going through the pain that I went through several times in my life, where it was very difficult to sleep, very difficult to walk, and just to function because of you get very irritable when you feel this way. Walked in here kind of skeptic, talked to Dr. Joel, and he told me the procedure. I said, why not? If it wasn't this, it was going to be another surgery for me because I couldn't stand it anymore. We started the procedure between you and me and anybody else that cares. The first week I thought that I did something else that wouldn't work. Somewhere in the middle of the second week, it really started taking effect in helping me. After 5 weeks of coming in with therapy, all of a sudden I woke up and it was okay. That was over a year ago. I'm back to playing golf. I'm an extremely good golfer at one time. Became a very bad golfer because the back inhibited me. I'm back to playing about to a 2 handicap, enjoying my life again. And I think that this is the answer for almost anybody. And again, if you can get lucky, give this a.
So hopefully you found our patient's testimonial worthwhile. What we're going to be doing from now until the end of May, because it's the 1st of May, we're going to be offering you an opportunity to go on this machine for $75. That will also include a complete workup where we will look over your MRI reports and also do a neurological and orthopedic and range of motion, reflexes, muscle testing to make sure that you're not a contraindicated or there's no reasons why you can't go on this machine. Not everyone is a successful candidate, but we will screen you and let you know if there's any reasons why you can't go on that, and more importantly, why you should go on it and why you're going to get a lot of benefits. From now until the end of May, we'll be doing an offer for $75. You just have to give our office a call at 561-883-0090 and let them know you heard about our May promotion for the Drx9000. The only thing is I only have the ability to offer this for the first 10 people that respond to this ad, so hopefully it will be you that responds, and I look forward to helping you in your quest to get your neck pain or your back pain better. Thank you so much.